Good afternoon, dear friends. Welcome to our channel Infinity Learn Mathematics in a Simple Way. So today we are going to discuss about the blueprint of second PUC Karnataka second PUC Science Mathematics question paper blueprint. So let us try to understand the Karnataka second PUC Mathematics blueprint for the year 2022 and 23. So in this again for this academic year we have a question papers blueprint has been changed now. Again, see here what changes they have made the board of Karnataka PU board. Again, we have in our question paper part A, part B, part C, part D and part E. Again in the question paper we have a 5 parts, that is part A, part B, part C, part D and part E. So let us come to know try to understand how these are part A, part B, part C, part D and part E, and from each topic how the questions are divided. Yes, so in this year first lesson relation function. Here in the part A, now this time has been made the what MCQs questions and fill in the blanks and very short answer type questions in the part A. In the part A we have a 3 sections, that is subsection 1, subsection 1, subsection 2 and 3. We have a 3 sections in the what part A. In the subsection 1, first we have a MCQ type questions. In subsection 2 we have a fill in the blanks. In subsection 3 we have a very short answer type of questions. So in the first topic, that is relational function, we will get the what one MCQs question and one very short answer type question, and one question in the part B for 2 marks and one question in the part C for 3 marks and one question in the part D for 5 marks. Total this topic carries 12 marks for the point of your annual examination. So relation function topic totally weightage for annual examination is what 12 marks. So in the second topic, inverse trigonometric function, in this topic you will get what 1 marks as a MCQs in the part A subsection 1 and 2 marks question very short answer type in part B and 2 marks 2 questions 2 marks 2 questions and 3 mark 1 question in part C. So total this topic get the what 8 marks in your, and you will got the what 8 marks in your annual examination. And the third topic is matrices. In this topic you will get the what 1 question as a MCQs in the part A and 1 question for 3 marks in part C and 1 question for 5 marks in part D. Total this topic carries the what 9 marks for your annual exam. So in the fourth chapter, that is determinant, in this topic you will get the what one MCQ type question and one very short answer type question and one question for what 2 marks and one question for 5 marks and one question for 4 marks. One question MCQs in subsection 1 and one question very short answer type subsection 2 and one question in the part B and one question in part C, part D for 5 marks and one question in part E for 4 marks. Total this topic gets the what 13 marks for your annual examination. And question topic number 5, continuity and differentiability. From this topic, one question MCQs in subsection 1 and one question in subsection 3 part A subsection 3 very short answer type and 2 questions for 2 marks in part B and 2 questions for 3 marks in part C and one question for 5 marks in part D and one question for 4 marks in part E. Total from this topic you will get the what 21 marks. It is very important because it has a very uh, more marks for your annual exam. So in applications of derivative, next topic, from this topic one question for very short answer type in part A, one question for 2 marks in part B and one question for 3 marks in part C and one question for 5 marks in part D. Total this topic carries the what 11 marks for your annual examination. And the next topic is integrals. In this topic, from this topic you will get the what one question as a MCQs, one question for very short answer type in the part A only and 2 questions in the part B for 2 marks and 2 questions in the part C for 3 marks and one question for 5 marks in part D and one question for 6 marks, that is properties of definite integral in the part E, one property or prove the property and one problem related to that. Total this topic gets the what 23 marks. It is also very important for the point of your annual examination because it contains the more marks. Next topic is what applications of integrals. From this topic you will get the what one question in the part C for 3 marks, one question for 5 marks in the part D. Total you will get the what 8 marks from this topic for your annual examination. And the ninth topic is a differential equation. From this topic you will get the what one question for 1 marks very short answer type, one question for 2 marks in the part B, and one question for 3 marks in the part C, and one question in the part D. Total from this topic you will get the what 11 marks for your annual examination. And the 10th topic is vector algebra. From this topic you will get the what one question as MCQs in the part A subsection 1, and one question for very short answer type in part A only, two questions in the part B for 2 marks, two questions in the part C for 3 marks. Total this topic get the what 12 marks for your annual examination. Next topic is three-dimensional geometry. From this topic you will get one question MCQs for 1 marks in the part A, one question for very short answer type in part A only for 1 marks, one question for 2 marks in the part B, one question for 3 marks in part C, and one question in 5 marks in the part D. Total from this topic you will get the what 12 marks for your annual examination. And the 12th topic is linear programming. One question for MCQs in the part A only, one question in part A only for very short answer type, and one question for 6 marks in part E. Total from this topic you will get the what 8 marks. And the last topic is probability. From this topic one question for MCQs and one question for very short answer type, one question for part 2 marks in the part B, one question for 3 marks in part C, one question for 5 marks in part D. Total from this topic you will get the what 12 marks. So totally in the part A you will get the what 20 questions, and each question carries the what 1 mark, that is 20 marks in the part A. In part A you will get the what part A 20 marks. Yes. And in the part B you will get the what 14 questions, 14 questions, but you have to answer the what only 9 questions out of 14. Out of 14, 9 you have to answer. You have to answer. In part B, answer. In part B and part C. In part B and in part B and part C, you will get the what 14 questions. Out of 14, you have to answer only 9 answers. In part B, each question carries 2 marks, 2 nines are 18 marks you will get. And in the part C, you will get the what 3 marks questions, 3 nines are 27. You will get the what 3 marks. And in the part D, you will get the what total 10 questions. Total 10 questions, but you have to answer. But answer any 5. Answer any 5 questions, and each question carries the what 5 marks. You will get in the part D 25 marks in the part D. In part D you will get the what 25 marks. You have to answer any 5. And in part E, 2 questions for 6 marks and 2 questions for 4 marks. 6 plus 4. In part E you will get the what 10 marks. In part E you will get the what 10 marks. So this is the what the new blueprint or pattern for your annual examination, second PUC annual examination, that is 2022-23. So this is all about the what blueprint and pattern of the question paper. So in the next video we are going to analyze the what question paper, and we are discussing about the what the model question paper which has released by the what the PU board of Karnataka. Thank you so much and keep watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.